This is how to set the clock on your Fiat Panda. This is a 2009 model, all pretty much the same. So as long as you've got the three buttons there, the mode, the up and the down, you should be okay to go. So basically, ignition on and press mode, puts us into the menu. Up and down, you can go whichever way you want. So I'm pressing the up at the moment. It's going to take us through all the various settings. So we're going to do the time first. Set time, press mode. The time, yes, so we're going to press mode again. Now you can see the hours flashing. So I'm going to knock it down, press the mode again, and then you can go up and down using the arrow keys, up and down. Press and hold, it'll go through. It's a little bit slower doing it that way. There we go. Press mode again and it saves it. Now then we press down, we go to the date. Press mode. Straight away you're into the year and the date and everything. So same again, up and down. Mode. And then mode again. Mode again, and that's set. And then you can either cycle through all the things back to exit menu and press mode to take you back to the original dash, or you can just cycle the ignition. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.